2 cars already failed to cross the sand dune, which sounds like the beginning of level 3. Our friend Girard and small Toyota, they are reversing to try again. Yes, Toyota is trying. Oh, so good. Oh, this is it. This is it. Now I got it. He will stuck there. He is hanging on his butts. This man will not move from this point without somebody towing him back or forward. He will be stuck here. I'm watching. Nothing to do, my dear friend. ولا اعرفك ان شاء الله لو عملت ايه. عملنا هنا في عربيتنا نعديها احنا براحتنا. Let's see what they will do about it. Is he going to help him or he just going to cross it? I think he will help him. He needs help himself. No, now he will tow him back. Oh, that's Bernard. He's a gentleman. I'm not, sorry. Yeah, that's what he will do. Can you zoom? Somebody is going with the speed and power. He wants to leave it all, and he just the same stupidity. Alhamdulillah, I will not move from here until this whole thing is finished. I will wait and see. Who's that? That's the lady driver, I guess. Yeah, she's shot with her husband. And Girard, he has done it. No, that was not Girard, but he has done it. So, from the left, it sounds easier. Girard is trying now. Girard, he's slowly, he's wise, he is doing it. Oops! And he is stuck. This can only be taken with a jump. I'm sure about that. First car released. Yes, we released the second and the third. Again, Bernard, he is really the gentleman. And he's helping the lady. Okay, let's see how this will end up like. Let's take the time. Bernard is from Switzerland, and he seems like really a Swiss guy. Would help everybody out. Okay, in, start pulling back. Now, okay, she is released. Yeah, right, let's go help Gerard. What? I can't hear you. Say something. Should we go help Gerard يا صبري؟ يعني ايه؟ Say something. Should we?
نو نو نو
جبان.
خلينا نصور احسن.
طيب ماشي حاضر. انت عايز كده يعني؟ ماشي حاضر.
كويس ان شاء الله.
شوف غيرها.
الفيديو ده مش هيتكرر بصراحة.
الفيديو ده مش هيتكرر على فكرة.
احنا عايزين
ما
نلحق.
تحصلش كتير الحكاية دي مع الناس دي. لا وبعدين ايه بقى يعني عايز explain something to you يعني لو الفيديو يقدر يجيبها. We are now at 10 past 2 in the afternoon. Temperature inside the car in the shadow 40 degrees. صباح الفل. And Bernard is bow. He did it. What happened to Girard? Alone ولا somebody told? No, I don't think so.
والله
No, I think somebody like pulled him from the other side.
والله لوحده.
مش ممكن.
والله العظيم لوحده.
يا عم الكلام. هو ده التاني. التاني بيديها افتراء.
بشيرة.
كاشيرو شاسيه قصير هيعدي. ايوه عايز اتفرج على جون فونس. اوبا اهو ده رشق. ده لازم يتشد لقدام يا حبيبي.
نط انت لذيذ.
واخدها هو افتراء. شوف مش ممكن ده مش لازم يتشد لا يمكن يتحرك.